Welcome back to another quick and easy recipe. Today we're making butternut squash, lentils, and green beans. Let's get the kitchen ready. This recipe is super easy. I'm using already pre-cut butternut squash, which I would definitely recommend. And we're just gonna roast it. I'm using some coconut oil, and get your favorite seasoning, salt, pepper, garlic, whatever you would like. It doesn't really need much. And I just put it in the oven at 375 for about 20 to 30 minutes. Next, I'm getting the lentils ready. I already pre-washed them and covered them in water, and I'm gonna just set them to boil and watch them and let them simmer. And then last but not least, we're going to get our green beans going. And I'm using a grill pan from IKEA, my fave. And these are supposed to be garlic green beans, so I'm going to use the heck out of this garlic powder because I did not have any fresh garlic. And I also threw in some cherry tomatoes. Cook them down to their juliennes like this for the extra flavor. And bing bada bam ba boom, everything's ready. So now we're just going to plate it. It's a super quick and easy meal that you can make at any time, and I just love this. You can pretty much set everything up and get it going and be working on something else or doing something else. So if you don't have much time or you're looking for something super easy, this is the recipe for you. Hope you guys try it and enjoy. If you're looking for more recipes like this, check out this easy alkaline Buddha bowl recipe right here.